In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Jupyter Notebook as Python file. By the end, you'll have a clean .py script you can share, version control, or run outside of Jupyter. Think of this as moving from an interactive notebook environment to a traditional Python file while staying inside the Jupyter interface. First, open Jupyter in your browser. This can be JupyterLab or the classic Jupyter environment, either one works. Make sure you're in the folder where you want your script to live, since anything you create will be saved in the current working directory. You'll see the familiar layout with the file browser on the left and a menu bar across the top. Next, go to the top menu and click File. Hover over New, then select Python File. This creates a new, empty script and opens it in a new tab within Jupyter. Unlike a notebook, which has cells, this window is a plain text editor dedicated to Python, so everything you type will be part of a single .py file. Jupyter sets a default name, and you'll see it at the top of the editor. Now, rename the file to something meaningful. Click the file name at the top, enter a clear name that ends with .py, and confirm. Good naming helps you find and reuse your script later. With the file named, start typing your code directly into the editor. This is standard Python, so you can write functions, imports, and any logic you'd normally include in a script. Jupyter generally auto-saves your changes, but it's a good habit to save manually using the toolbar icon or keyboard shortcut to ensure everything is written to disk. You'll see your new .py file appear in the file browser, right where you created it. That's it. You opened Jupyter, created a new Python file from the file menu, renamed it, and added your code. You now have a portable Python script you can run from a terminal, schedule, or import into other projects, all created directly within Jupyter.